Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best 75% mechanical keyboards that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Keychron K2. First in this category is perhaps the most well-known mechanical keyboard out there. The Keychron K2 carries a unique and recognizable design with an ergonomically pleasing typing angle. The Keychron K2 wins in the build quality department. You can pick one up with an aluminum frame, making it sturdy and pleasing to look at. The Keychron K2 comes with basic ABS plastic keycaps, but PBT caps can also be added on request. Even though most ABS keycaps tend to feel cheap, the ones on the Keychron K2 have a smooth feel. When it comes to the switches, the Keychron K2 does not have hot swappable switches, which means you have to stick to what the keyboard comes with. The Keychron K2 comes with an incredible Bluetooth 5.1 connection and can connect to up to 3 devices. These features make it a winner in the wireless department. You can also use the Keychron K2 wired. With all these features, the Keychron K2 comes in at $81. Moving on at number 4, we have the YUNZII KC84. Probably the best all-rounder, in terms of our suggested criteria, is the YUNZII KC84. This keyboard checks all the boxes, with minimal complaints. Features like RGB lighting, high-quality keycaps, and hot swappable sockets truly allow full customization. Starting with the build quality, the YUNZII KC84 has a plastic frame and the keyboard is angled at a soft typing angle. The back of the keyboard also comes with a kickstand offering a greater angle if needed. Overall, the build quality and design are good enough for it to get by, especially at the price. The keycaps are where the YUNZII KC84 starts to shine. It offers different colors that work well with each other and the overall design is minimal and clean. Furthermore, the YUNZII KC84 comes with multicolored PBT keycaps. The YUNZII KC84 comes with hot swappable 5-pin sockets. These are the most versatile switches, allowing a lot of customization. The YUNZII KC84 is a wired mechanical keyboard, so depending on your preference this may be a pro or a con. The YUNZII KC84 packs all of these features, all with a price tag of $95. At number 3, we have the EPOMKER AKKO 3084. The AKKO 3084 comes with a unique, compact layout due to very little partition between the individual keys. The right shift key is also non-standard, making the overall keyboard very compact without sacrificing functionality. The build quality of the AKKO 3084 is satisfactory. The case is made from plastic molded at a certain incline to make typing easier. While the AKKO 3084 is a wireless mechanical keyboard, it still uses Bluetooth 3.0, which is an older Bluetooth technology, not offering features such as low latency, further range, and power-saving capabilities. The AKKO 3084 can, however, connect to 3 devices simultaneously. The AKKO 3084 also comes with a detachable USB-C to USB-A cable. When talking about switches, this mechanical keyboard comes with standard carry MX switches, which can be adequate for average typing or gaming needs. These switches offer a medium level of tactile feel. The keycaps on the AKKO 3084 are not very exciting. They offer no backlighting. However, the keycaps are 85% PBT with a medium thickness. The keycaps also have multiple styles and themes to pick from. The AKKO 3084 is indeed a great product that offers all the features listed above in a wireless form for only $105. At number 2, we have the EPOMAKER AKKO 3084 9009. The EPOMAKER AKKO 3084-9009 is the perfect mechanical keyboard for those that love a little retro touch in their modern gadgets and accessories. The 75% layout makes this compact and the ideal office and gaming keyboard alike. The housing is made from plastic, however, it doesn't take away from its solid look. The keycaps on this mechanical keyboard are PBT, which are made using a dye sublimation process to further increase their lifespan. The color combinations of the keycaps are inspired by a classic retro look. The keyboard comes with a USB-C connector for added convenience for Mac users. The EPOMAKER AKKO 3084-9009 adopts 100% Origin Cherry MX switches. This is to achieve a fast response. The EPOMAKER AKKO 3084-9009 provides these keyboard features along with a unique retro design for a price tag of $105. And finally at number 1, we have the Matias FK3003 Mini Tactile Pro. The Matias FK3003 Mini Tactile Pro is the perfect option for Mac users. This mechanical keyboard exists in a league of its own, meaning the factors that differentiate the Matias FK3003 Mini Tactile Pro may differ from the usual ones on the list. To start off with, the Matias FK3003 Mini Tactile Pro has impressive build quality. Even though the casing is plastic, the design is timeless. The mechanical keyboard is also extremely compact, making it ideal for travel. The Matias FK3003 Mini Tactile Pro comes with Mac-friendly function keys that let you control the brightness, volume, controls on iTunes and more. The keys are laser-etched, which means that the symbols are burned into the keys so they will never wear off. The keycaps are also sculpted, giving them a flat and white look with very little spacing. The Matias FK3003 Mini Tactile Pro also gives you 3 USB ports for maximum connectivity. The Matias FK3003 Mini Tactile Pro is a wired keyboard, therefore this might not be the ideal option for those looking for a clutter-free desk. Overall, the Matias FK3003 Mini Tactile Pro comes in at $119 and it's the perfect mechanical keyboard for Mac users. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.